Today I want to come on and show you guys how I get ready for my day as opposed to just styling an outfit, because you might be wondering, how do you make a very inexpensive piece look more expensive? And the answer is, it starts with you, the foundation. Make sure your eyebrows are very well tapered. Wham! And I ain't even a pro. Make them too round, because then you're gonna look like a clown. Drag the color down, okay? Follow me now. I'm not a pro either. We in this together. Not me on here with dirty brushes. Correct, cause y'all brush dirty too. A really good foundation. Y'all see? Better than any foundation I had. This is from the beauty supply store. This is why I get it shaved around here. For one, I don't want to look like a boy. I look like a lesbian. None of that. Do my makeup, I blend it right into my hairline. Just another tip. It's smooth like a filter. Keep going. Let me stop tripping with y'all. Anyway. Ooh, not you calling me ratchet because of my brush. I'd rather be ratchet indoors than out. Lightly dust. Take the waxiness out of these brows. Let you stop sweating on your eyelid. And to keep this makeup on and make it look more like skin. Them ears too. Just below that chin line. Off here to the side. And get into that hairline. Y'all see it? Vanishing. Woo-hoo! Hair up in a nice ponytail. You wrap it and you just tuck it.
People see me, but they just don't know. Come on, baby, let the good time roll.